Ubefa omunyasa some of the babon to be fancy.
Well, first of all, I don't think it's those people that were affected in the video. Obia fan hodi anamwa. Enti so obia
fan hodi.
Okay. Obia fan hodi.
Yeah, but I ain't see competition. Say ya mo obia ma.
Okay. Then
I just say you ma fi.
Okay, meba. We have had competition it me we na referee to enjoy obiaka. And NC competition at a point referees were calling and say market you am farmer. Me kai last year say league ni bodu second round na first round scan NGI. Enti Obed the moment referees are affected omo di ye no kro omo sika mai there's no difference and we charge the owner sika na $10,000 equivalent to 500 million ken who this all year juma for close to bear say adwuma mu pa obenya seska we Ghana ha okay this a problem
but and they not make any say in an attempt to move forward.
Not those people that were affected
yes,
are still part of
the reforms now.
You see the points in the say.
How will you take it? Because there's an issue of image crisis.
Yeah, the issue
and gap between Impenifono and the public. And say pesi akoye ni ma. Sa gidie na amanfo ni wo federation ni mu biemu. Esa saiba. Esa image our public ni benya about the federation enya de. Unya 100% crack e honte. It's a kote so omo di bone no. Esa tiase na ye totototo kwan a ye mfa so nhese neoma in an attempt to move forward. Menya sure say it will promote any form of public confidence in the organization
the
again.
Point, you're making a very good point, but the meaning in it. Can you Kai say when the issue first came, or the lawyer Kokuya Boa appear by now or can same be as some say I need in the crying a day. Because me baby and I may hear says uncle on how they'll be prosecuted. But of course nobody can prosecute them. The government to make Ghana run a mark because we are private entities. Say bribe a public official. But so and the laws of the land through the government able to make a punish them. But say a private entity, the government can't move there. So the best way for the government was why it's opposite or GFA in the bosom. So that you bet me and negative uncle. Says uncle, yes, sir. Or more J bribe money, coffee men, money adding. The government in the only power be able to do anything. Because a private institution. But if it had been a public institution, a year or mine they under the government could have prosecuted them. And Nutina, way mono one, the association because they are also corrupt. It's almost one in referees association. If they are then there's any committee. And now those bodies no, and they will seek to do something to curb it or mine it. And it's the way mona nanti or moya so that's high. Ain't it that we be a man buying your interest if no bad jabos on the say. So no jia, then there will be a way to cut these people out. But as it stands, government in the who need any power be able to prosecute those people.
Somebody can about to prosecute people.
And nothing as a guy in a yes, I support you that Samosuka shouldn't be there on moral grounds. But what I say,
that is my point is not even about say a prosecute you. Say a quiet anymore. So what is a refugee support transnational Samosuka or take a decision?
It's a big shame.
This is my point. So it comes back to the whole Congress.
Let's say Ghana and Cassie.
There's one share.
Also, Zebiana can make us and I am the fun side of it. But so per concept part the whole world Ghana. Because any serious nation can wouldn't wait. Check those even people themselves and come one crab out to say, oh, yeah, resign.
Good.
Dear here.
Me
no not me.
Concept
Ghana like Mati. Oh, there's but Ghana na. Machiasen. But Ghana na yen serious, and I know so bad. The whole world among you serious, Ghana, yen serious.
So Max, me Max 7 years said. But China Congress near Ken. And said, a child, you see, hence now allow some of these things to happen. And I'm one of the people who is a senior dear ham. Mommy and says for. Because can say, well, you fear ya. Adding so be to me. I be cancel blue yatter. Because can say, me bow hall, not a woman so now the 2 hall. Mr. Mamma better hall. But my bow fear no one so maybe what keep your house neater. I'll go by the same process. But my bow fear no one so the two on power to a wire bassa. I will live how you live at your own premises. Me bow fear no say madam for no for boom mamma. Say me no be a margin mudo asan you know my casa and sana muslim bekasa. Because so the boom man instantly muslim the respect every man. Hence no kwai o si fire and you maybe. And I'm a obi so coffee man good boy. And number also what's your white shirt?
You want to be heard.
No, even away from the fact that you want to be heard, no. And how I ensina yen and yoma. And I allow some people to get that mileage and talk. Because honestly speaking, you can say who rate your amount to be more above 60%. So they are heading towards failure. And the about is our Bianca on some factors or Casa Crafa Ghana football can openly talk. But Matter says na coffee man who or your elite. As a man for refi coffee man. On the better now can say Egypt FM are question and $1 million. So one general after say Ghana say Egypt 6-1 almost say or qualify for World Cup. A coffee man never can answer no chroma. And my Egyptians have a release statement.
Silver Sports.
They can't believe that huge allegation na papa ne. Sa papa na never catch say person a promo to Ghana boy I show stadium. You have posters got tight so. And they came, you cook etia near check. Ebi akotokone house near check okejetia. Near the gugu came. You say you farmer mate for no kutom na your core private toilet near the bobo. And the money Paba Stadium. You we are ma on my share skirting kitten. Sebi on my page munufu meka says the girls. Look at that is some of the comments Penina make about how to develop Ghana football. And to answer that no be I find say I say didn't show chroma be. But I say ensin in your money the what put to the house no. In terms of proper management, they lead to some of these things. Coffee man, I remember after say you could go free. Or because I could place no. Sebi people no she enti no ment me say woman. And you jan is ano can answer no e wo kroma no bia nya she. That is the man that we are talking about. Too. Listen to some of the ideas. You ever promote football in this modern world no. You have posters in tight toilets no. Or kafan who di free near Bonabasu blue boy. But in an attempt to move forward, in an attempt to instill public trust in the FA, they move the car say after say anything decided to change the logo no. And the logo change once. Sometimes you need to link well with the corporate world. But nipa na ba be ye adwuma FA ni nya nkofo amanfo be nya gidi wo mumu. Period. That public trust must be instilled. And I know Ken. I know how I am in because Kakabone Sheshalamon send me a buy 20th May and I answer this war fair case. Messina Ali alas a penny action. You just some man and I'm hope free. The normal prosecuted case. No? And even under their time, there's been corrupt issues. There's been issues that question credibility. Any bias. Because then, as somewhere by Nanke, a quite say if you know, and see the Tina some of you who say, yeah, Beji and see moving forward. No man, no Antachia, which has to do with Assemba, Yen baby ever corner. Ye bubu some never church, so Katasumo Mason, many time ye be Simomo Jai. Kakabon some not what you say. Coca won some no. The three names are very popular, Kruma. Yantoshi. Case not die out. Nantechi had issues with transparency. And see about Tanaso, how transparent have they been? Almost shady deals, nay. As a no man who Suma Sibi, on Sunday who be friends and cronies, be per quirky to Abby, and you leak information more, and more running affairs. Can you assure Nantechi? Time and then you on no responsibility say, you the budget, Baba Montin Pun. They send some of us 15 and say, as the FA person yet. Budget trained by even if it's about the sports ministry. Issues about packaging of the Ghana Premier League, no contract in sense. Some of us stood and said, no, look, your contract you ever sign will be a buy any sick or the man and see someone far and running and a special competition. Now, Daniel said, even explaining it to the clubs, then paying for them person may talk about direction. kwan yɛ fa so run football I mean say no me can say me Dan Kwaku Yeboah me no I have issues about his credibility ne anyhow hypocrite or but sit down and analyze the leadership role of Opanyin Femi Kofi Amoah autocratic way and then absolute power kebi amen kebi and one Opanyin gu so a oye nti asa how sinaye omonioma no and na say koma amanfo bi kura ma omo ese nkasa bre ye pioma to baby on the king say ya obi tisu ne wo se nipa ne nya adwuma ye ne yi no na wo betena so na wo nya ni yi a e ma de ototo papa so no kura timi to bo ba park so obi antimi nka no hwe eno bi na Kofi manu mo ye because ko bi e wo se wagiska ka se o wade o me ye ne da metna en simple de ama de ese ka fere ne anim guase ye chew but ye ni free odi oba ye no de o ye no ase enwoma nkoye it has to be only so when it came out of cranky. And that is leading to some of these discussions. I think it's cool. In an attempt to move forward, the football people they must understand that and assembling asema. I say ahead of Congress, get Bobo, say we go and assemble we go. Open them obiambo lawyer Kwaku Yeki. Now I send your mouth for Bobo Papa Nidiba. Because you know who the PM or NC or a nice video no. How Opanyin no edin unify. What is your biaba sorry? I'm an enough respect. But if football people have any form of integrity in them, what is other people are also defending? Yeah, same football for any be almost defend say Kofi Manu Congress on come on. If they have any form of respect and dignity in them, Ken, we are bokrono obi a di dream. Na yesi apese asesa neoma yesi di obo okro no di dream no on ye mfa ne betrans ne mbobu nsem. Just listen to this. It's sad that a football club will also give him the mandate as a represent here. Ni a football club okroma say me di tum bese on say di anim na kwatena o kabi mai okwaka den. What better contribution obetimi aye knowing clearly say ye di tumi share nsa no or jiska akata tumi akata mraso embrano baby I see a little watch and you still have faith in people like this. It's sad, Ken, it's sad, but what can ecosystem because the NC one way or the other in running the day-to-day activities of Ghana football. They've not been able to do it well. The public trust has said their first near bought now touching Kofundia has said an amount for support manufa and he has said this is a bought or Mudia as a didn't. Send a man for chop and abafo because clearly on my any song on some on my near doing for fear one issue of you can't see any form of direction. You don't see the reviver. Reviver and Kenya Krabi and be football is made up of negative news. So it's sad, but on one I am abanisi and Ken media my issue is simple. If people like Kofi Manu will still be entertaining our football, yeah, I think they see him be developing new passion.
Okay.
They say developing new passion. That's a basketball be near the Nyakudi actually. Yes. No, in an attempt to move forward. If Ghana football be handed to people like Kofi Manu, near opinion leaders, someone that can be a woman, some of us need to develop new passion. Because that means clearly after the Anas video, no, and can Anas video there sample size, the packet to a view. The cousin called 3 months football for night. I had to pay Ben Yormon. The Mendoza. And to cranny 9 to a mass and as a still. You may entertain your body. Some of us will develop new passion. The make a canal near volley, near Dietri, because the football is heading nowhere. If it continue under the leadership and hands of people like Kofi Manu, you better do almost so there. I think I can say football no. They started paying for near the initial.
Yeah, okay. And ra make sure the bia se wa hase. Na enkombre and no could be a problem. Ken, me yenya adwen foforo bi so bia one akwasi nya ntachi ya line bia FA president so mo scatter out. Adwen me yenya because Ken say me tena se hwe omombe contest na ebimo they deservedly, of course. Baby said George free me oba me okay. And me personal I'll be very okay. Of course, I know say he's going to learn a lot from what happened. He's going to do things better. there is one thing me match on person me one say me root for candidates. A player welfare because any the bubble. Or more ban me who so be a kind of welfare of players. Because I can't overshare. Now saying I got to start is almost $3,000, $1,500. It's now a different thing. That is how we can compete in other ways. Player welfare should be because okay, I had a chance to be with a big man pie in government, sitting deep in government. I can per se or take you over a club. Now all take a club and obey a team in the second division. And when him say the poor man idea and say second division the Ntiaka. It is an Kolane Boboa. Now move your normal Kanoama 10 cities. Can you understand my point? And say somebody like me, no Mindia the any masadi way and cause menge. Miss Ronya, I won't do it. Because Ubos at the end of the day, no best saying Kolani in our life. Then as I'm Kolana and Casa Omonye. On a share wickedness. It is always uncle for no more leading one. So Ben Mo say, Bomo, de Bia, Bibi Papa Biama. A very, very serious. It's what I'm trying to say. Because kids see, I'm sure. Or mom Bessan Beji, born in United, the same people now they check it. Or mom Babeji Ghana born as I really be a beg the same people. And Omu be soon to be friend Blue Boy cry advice and said Masam Pachos and Ekodija. Nobody has done it. Because Omoba women now a big role to play. Why am I saying that? Me more example. Me say Uncle Nap. Nana be in easy. Or the Azakes co-relegation. On the Hazakes chairman. King. Now on the Mr. Kwesi Antechi Godfather.
Silver Sports.
Now the buying nano may blame no because me feel say he didn't give the godson no the best of advice. I'll blame him. Now King say yes, I be send your ma fofra. Wo club no wako fo bi or no aje bribe or video no asan the aba. It's in a nutshell no sa papa we the ball anymore. Ghana hina mbako. King, my chance I make comments in the obi money no one that no. But ne kan e hini ye beko. Ye nko be bia he omonsa the ombe ya nombe. Inti King, the best way as your mom says I bind the GFA na boss. Inti me match me support ya binding in total say FA no person take you over. That is the only way be who changes. Saying yes I am who change or more na besan be.
Silver Sports.
Now, Obed logo ni change. Who say sometimes bisa say then na who change logo na who nipa who change you din e de beba. But very necessary. Okay, the man is necessary ni say. Do you know the man former FA phone be more powerful? Almost to trauma and our kind of more show and say, Yembisa government say Ghana Football Association, any logo, no, you register with my team. But be a buying no a fairly Ghanaians and say, Ken, oh, yeah, they are didn't ye. I didn't know who you the right to know. But let your people know, say, Saint here, or to make because almost you'll be. And yes, Uncle, you are more young and perfect. Because other countries have done it. Ever do extend say even if a player create move over, they determine how much a player and fan call. They do. Player welfare. Say they be no F4 no moves for by say Brian Meboa Ghana ball Meboa. It is our buying rumor there is nothing wrong. But the way I they say per se oh maybe not because I match of my dream say. And oh I'm penny for the omu na down for king. And penny for no omu delay you just have to be very very careful. The obesia penny way and as can you on any people of authority no. They are all bonnet na down for when they meet a personal interest. It's a dear Mr. Kofiamo and say Ghana for Becca so it's so run and take you grano on every na board yes and you know you good. That is exactly what they are doing.
Silver Sports.
I'm telling you the reality. That is exactly what they are doing. Omo yana beso ball crowd ye yes ye corrupt board ye won't win gas out the corrupt and ye na quite so yante chikrano it be the time they cause you there. That is exactly what they are doing because they can't tell me that seven previous or money in there. They have it. Dr. Kofi Amwana can 208 Olidi me to me organizing a perfectly in Ghana. He could do it, but that is what they are doing because they are all in the same. Your friends say if not the same party, they are all in the same association. So it is very very wrong. Inti buying logo no change. Every Ghanaian should support it. Some more percent Ghana FA ni sabe ya dia. Na national team ya dia na controller. That is the because say Obed why register dey wo din mu a me to me abefa me to me. Inti I was said those changes no need to come. Now kid, Congress is the highest decision making body. Inti ye corner the omukwe nyina so omukoje new status na atum. Na ya hwese game ne beto aso. But class no the omuntie ni. So omukoro nkoyo ye engine to ye pass so ensi ne be office ah. Kezo hata say omukoyo ye engine tum ye dia ensi ne be na so onwie na adwuma obebọ ho sa. But no so chances omukona nyoma bi wo na enya no. We na see brains e kasa ho. Me mpesa be kwa e say brains kasa. Enu tina me wo be dia adwen sa sa papa. Me say me no kra no me papa no make say da. Wo de sa da no men so the following day no was so we are no we bisa say oh then e course so simple.
Silver Sports.
That is exactly what you should do. I say brains. Inti say wo de issue bi ba. Kina say ye issue am run da ho no o test him run e so okay this will help this will not help. And yes, I quite cacophony of voices way Canadian, way air Canadian. Again, to the government. Ken, mesre. Sa buy person or jibon or gun on yin and so on a jibon no yin ye mine. But what them? So I buy fees a board or budget. Ken said, Bibia say what Ghana ha. It is the government ye blame. It is a banner and not so person or gin or she say ya. Only and him so no na gin or warrior or she say ye. There is nothing wrong with that. But I say, meye, minye, minya meye, minye. It doesn't sound. Because kin here, beginning who say na players because he yembo born or more brain and make catch on some munya butcher because yes, senior. Back in me fees because you can't go to Germany, Brazil, or even in England, kill no alcohol or game for this number of years. No, oh, they let Mama Ghana me and me. Born na ye born. And also your area bia ebi bon so jam omodua na de ekoma no because o de over premier level 16 teams no bia 30 players where small na 30 players no memo fa ne so obi awa yire obi awa ase otu etu obi awo nuanom etu won comes na adwuma eko currently as we are speaking eba your friends say illegal a small scale mining na enyoma ente said yete can you understand at the banking sector enyoma said yete. Let's be real. Oba adwuma for ye nkola na omuso wie university ni ade na aban ne ye ne de eye nurse ne ade but ente se de enye de ye nyina ye pe no ebi ase ye koyanim enti ball no so ye ba bi a ye chunk of the economy a eye bi mo so livelihood kin what ma say it is all ka say we jai activities no for this longer period ni ehu de ye kwa kin for me much it doesn't sound eye hardship na samba eye ade bi say because Oko Germany money adina the football is their everything. You want to or you can't go and say yeah, my bandy football for bay 2 or no it won't happen. You can't do it. What you can do is or more when you know more corporate no. We your mono was say na eduma de na koso. It the more ye delay ye hu baby a ye kwa baby ye ban. Other people are suffering. And kolani bi okra team or more no. They are not paying them into our talent in a waste. Are we not thinking about that? Because the government needs to support these children because they are Ghanaians. So that is where we are thinking that on echo. Obi okra ne career say because you're breaking up beth, you know, on yes can conti born crass and let's say I mean mobile. Kin all these things are there. Until their main person me to sre ye papa his excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo and say, "Uni me the way I like this man." Me feels as a born or ya me match me supporting into to a bedroom baby no be jai dia more so mo ye but dem mo me kwan ye fa so ye sometimes on okay ade bi wo ye na ye right but the ball man a ye developing way ya se wo ye bibia book by book pepper by pepper part king emfa because abrochire no bibia na da ho ye book by book system by system king we aduma 2 hours what you say we ye enie we ye bibia ye ska e da ho aha ne ntesa. It could be, say, for example, I mean more example, say be a mine in your mocas illegal, a good thing because SA and Sassy. But the people know what will be their livelihood. Yanchi are not crime, ever basso. As I'm not making, I will say, Ghanaian crime bitch me about because every hungry man is an angry man, son of be a comedy be a buffos one. And I say, came from the Sanka Ghana at TA, Obia near Juma. Do you think I will be able to? And the abandon says you'll be way for you are not the way. We need to be very, very careful. Ya ye bia ken ya ye bia say ye ya ba ye hu where we are going. Until we na a decree to NC force as early as possible. So more time no be share nyoma no more free one system na say the system must work. Me yanko pon sro mo pa because a man kola ni bi no kin like omo pa ba say me kura sa na te abon no kura me like I said yeah omo high and it's not the best. You see we it's not member citizens na high sa
Silver Sport.
whatever Nana is doing is good as support bibi o ye bia me support no but emo me ba man ya yen developing we ya ken ye sa so we yes we be creating more problem into as early as possible mess with the ba football no a oni NC4 ne nkasa status no mo de ba enya papa memo mo nkofa adwen bone nkofa ne o ma huni bia we mbeka so mo nji ntumji no ma san atena emwa
na me ado mo cha be hwe no me das
mate
ma so na yes but Andy bro
I believe sir we need proper policies, proper blueprints, and some the football that team has some babaka, some kuyi. Na enko the usual normal ways I actually go people so I am fair man because can ya try bebre and over the years some of us are criticizing the system. Me nipa ba ko consistently mabo kochuti akenten chipa say your football na egu ni na yo no. And I think Nansan na ubedi so kan say kosi apia ko consulto Mosi akente dey na teteke ofin so makoto gym let us wo kura inti I feel say there should be structures. We should set the standard, set the bay of my ball no akoyie because okay ye kan ya any league no nko ana aba fam. We are talking about under 17 year dead, we are talking about under 20 year dead, we are talking about the Blasters are dead inti baby egu it only left with the under 23. Now on match Friday, almost show promise, almost show consistency, almost show results in recent times. In the public thing you do much. Indeed, there should be proper structures out there. I was say lay out to move be and say these are the way a person is born. Yes, I fire for the back. At the end, I couldn't say National Congress no will be one of the smoothest Congress ever so because for the first time, almost Congress penny moving to an Okokasa was through.
Silver Sport.
Some of us have been at the Congress before. Unim some penny for be praise singers. And now, Obano who's a penny to one answering in our can I can't him. Because I heard a case cry. I said,
daddy
I can't one and lady of football association.
you was a penny me
So the question and teachers on making.
why they
Mr. Otewa, what's them can cry again? And the last Congress, almost yellow card, red card. Nti wo penny le te ho na ma to lokwa ko yi card na ho penny yo ti wo ya o ko yi card ni mani ti a o team be call relegation. We are part of the footballer. Can you know all these things? It works. Enya hanko. If you are part of the system, you know how these things work. And we've seen club officials.
no me red card yellow card
Oh yes, the last Congress.
and I mean because na omo yi on their own decision be na
Say we red red let's say me pese Congress in be
yeah no
yellow net pese be so na sanity ha na president question entity I be that we red. Just say we people who are bold enough omo mo mfa hwe ho and I say who opposition of camera let down so that so there no matter how it is we best stand firm. But the moment you stand firm or club no and that's it. We've seen club officials complain several times that there be a name of it had affected their club. It is part of the game. Intiminim say tina de obia binken wadwene wo mu favor bia ni ho unko please obia umfa ansa nkogu achi. You are going to be part of the Congress ebeboa reshape Ghana football ebesa revival Ghana football until obia be go all out. Because Congress na me call the last time penny ba ko sorry ya okasa obi ka chese masa transa small kanyanse biedi. That was Congress no okay. Nti I feel say we there marriage bia ni ho okwa wadwena na okwa akokire. And I feel say the proper way be my football na back no should be the subject for discussion. And ni mo omo di gu akwa ma ebe my football na akoye no should be the main topic for the discussion. Again, can your football no? I think this is the second time I'm saying this. The am your ball na gu no obi anhwe. It is because of Kotoko and Haas omo kan your football no bi. Dr. Che is thinking of how to go to Africa. He will make money or stadium. Togo Afeda set back. He doesn't care about Ghana football again. Into FA Palmer, GFA president, or Tema Youth. George Free, FPGFA president, Ochima Planets. Keto Kreku, Dreams FC, almost support a school at 100. Ken, go to Spain. Have you Tebes and Luis Oberos, where are they connected? It is Real Madrid and Barcelona. Go now the days. Now Kotokone has never run and call it the shot for Ghana football. And now Ghana football are Division 2, Division 3, Division 1. Ken Omunkwa. It is this will only happen in Ghana. Go to South Africa. When they are calling the shot in South African football or the PSL, Dr. Agrin Kuza for Orlando Paris. And Patrice Mosepe Mones, sorry. I want to call it the shot in South African football. Zamalek president, and the Al president, and I call it the shot in Egyptian football. Uko Morocco, it is the same thing. From Mark of Morocco to Raja Casablanca. These are the people that call the shot in that particular association. But yeah, the Oba High Division 2 for Oba High Division 1 can know this can only happen in Ghana. And can again, we are got to official and I saw how to folk official. Time I got to how to folk. And decided to almost step back. No one is part of the football association. One of the last time these two teams are G League. Again, what's the word bizarre? Wow Stars, Ediana Stars, Ashanti Good. It goes round. Because these are the men that call the shot in the game. In the Kotoko politically, Omunia linked. But can take it from last season, Kotoko, yeah, so close to the system. Omo go out, now buying a sponsor. NC tournament, now as you move, really concerned, said Abby. And then when you go your favor Kotoko. The TI2, Kotoko played all the home games in Kumasi. The only game a Accra and Kotoko lost it. The king, football now here. The BM can say, sit back after 9:30. We've gone the worst time in 13 years. Our AFCON. Madagascar, Abba first AFCON with their president, our CAF. Argentina, no worst spell at the World Cup after Julio Grondona. Go and check. Where is Brazil after Ricardo Teixeira? In the king football there. In as much as, see, you know, to say, corruption and free football, mudano. But, and we'll fully put measures in place to reduce it. Yeah, there are no measures in place to reduce it. That is why most of us are so consistent as to how you better any catatician pro and you be here free of football because king referees now almost did bribe and penny for the moment. Now your TV is almost also why no more. The king, the point I'm making is that so Oko Congress has another 38 right. Oko Congress has said Nasa Togo are further to left. Ken, the contract the bar president Kosinian Feti cannot stand. Set me more Zikadodua or more day betting Ken Davi. Why was that some numbers yes, almost 1,000. But how to folk numbers? Start time sponsor Ghana League because of Dreams FC. Almost sponsor Ghana League because of Tema Youth. Almost sponsor Ghana League because of Wow Stars. Almost sponsor Ghana League because of Kwatko and Heart of Folk. In the other thing, I got to Heart of Folk penny for the king. Almost sit back. Make a Obibeka to second on penny for you. Because I say school members say, na Oropo Kuntikao. Make I say school members say, na Frank Nelson account, but king. Okohonia do two committees. And one king, and the 70 in the path for any waka. And one. You need people are almost vibrant. You need people are almost checking. Blue boy, I cannot say my can't timber. But Blue Boy is all over in Ghana football. Oduro Safo is all over in Ghana football. And I come to the break. But king, these are the people that you football. Who the okay patch or more magic way football. Opare. One a club. Or purely club. Except few. And those clubs are Division 1 and Division 2. But all man I call it a shot in Ghana football. And they came until said. How to folk they got to call the best shot yet now. Football ni be say ya. They be ya be welcome ni say ya. You be ba betin how you discussion this because king the understanding of football every baby I can ne one me say. Time na kwa me mo some pem wo e wo. Every pokoto. And how to folk are seven there because they've had Fred Cranston. They've had Frank Nelson. Fred Cranston, he went so close.
Was the vice.
The vice of the FA. But King, Omudru, what committee no? $1 million. Ebi a utu kwa abrochi ache kakra obeko bi. And you'll be so consistent. I come to be you'll be part. So they forget about the duties. Any class ne do omkoyen.
Nti ho be hia se yem fa sasa nchekot kwa ba no. Dr. Kwame Chise da bi. Dr. Makowe mu anyamo dia. Mi am pese mkokore dia koso.
Ke me ka se meeting bi wa kra o ka se ozoto gu mako.
Ono anko. Kwa no ono ahwe dia bepoa Ghana football so mi am atoba mi ana me lady mi ana bi yiska. Anya se me jadi ama me nkrofo edi animu na mako mu ni pa ba ko bi no bi me pewe na matoba dia man.
Ke imagine say also
the owners ni say owners ni bi wa ba bi omo won de omo njine nkotoba. But me say owners ni bi pre omo a betimi akwa akotoba na mana yi.
Ke one. Ye hwe say me fa ne say me na me pa GF president. Na ma ba do Dr. Kwame Chise be man bribe Ken bribe any betimi ama. Me ma ba say me be man Dr. J bribe.
Say on to
And so on to ama. O de hwe me. E de na meeting ama. Na ma kodo ma hene ho. Say me command ma hene bribe. Ma koto gwe ho say me command bribe. Already you fail already. Bribe na betimi ama. And Dr. Chise kotoko plate into on call it ya. Ene kotoko management member bia. Se Togo afede into has for car. Obi a mo management member bia din. They will talk about Togo.
nti aba told you as a command.
Okay, me say.
Exactly.
Se almost esco nasia. Se almost esco nasia. Spain for the ya omko meeting ya ho an the represent Barcelona.
Big contribution.
And it's the same Maria Batam you moneto. The big guy Fiorentino Perez moneto. Na say omo chop picture aba omo yi TV writing from Friday the aba Monday. Fiorentino Perez and sorry meeting ase. Etike sponsorship aba. President Continent say there be on casque wom. Bokin omo mu hoyi. Ono ko beti mi kakra cover omo nyina.
$10,000 each.
Wa cover obia ke. Obeda kokasa. Untimi enti de bia be pressing it. I'm saying kokrafo nyina omo say gomachi na omo kada di wo. It will be pressing it all over. But these are the bend that call the shot. Me say came aboni pa mi nsedi. Champion to also be my champion right. Who see guys say. Etikin ye TSco. Ni nya Dr. Kwame Chise. Ye nya do ma hene. Ye nya Togo afede ni nya champion wase a. Ken dey na obey. You will be forced. Dr. Pagos Indio more. You will be forced to do the right thing. Ken, you will be forced to do the right thing. So why you right thing no omo so omo ko. No me kwa kodi wachi aken. E ho na omo ha no. Omo ho. But the moment I obey you rep say on konko to aba. The moment I obey you rep say on konko so ane. Ono kwa ni bottom no kwa akoje.
No more ha.
Because Ken raps ni na say you na be. Let's be honest to ourselves. Obuniska. Ken, yanka say uska chom. But let's be honest to ourselves. Ebi mu ho ake do mo survivor na aye. Okọ efe ho a, buso obi akọ bia. Awo eche bi ni dua bi wo ho be kọ na omo tete kọ sa. Wa anti ukwa kakra na waji bia se ho na pa. Na okọ. Nti enu a no mo de survive enu a. Obi na adwuma wa afita bia ho an osie. So the means of survival na ye ken enu a. Nti the big men in our football, me say baby ah. So football ni be ko yi a. A big man a woman and rise to the occasion. King someone right here. Mr. Kotoko and Heart of Folk. Now Kotoko to me call Bob Martin at the penalty 2 at the what is the penalty 2 at the Barcelona New Canberra. What is the Manchester and at the penalty 2 at Yomada? No, and gone out of this. Okay, over that for the penalty new house. It won't happen. Referee no crowd all bound back in. You are talking of betting and a referee back. Obey the wow start 7 matches. On the offer while you are just a team winning match. Offer ya now in the this is a team winning match. It is because the big guys in our football are losing touch. It is because the big men in our football are more numbers. Again, Kotoko has to vote some division 1. Benya sponsorship at Omombo Premium. They have the numbers, they have the audience, they have the mileage. In total, I talk. Almost sorry. And key teams are making me so say Ghana had you na Ash Gold, Kotoko House of Folk, Team Medionaga. They are kind of middle table and relegated 13 teams. Fred Papa Olympics ni. Inti omo how dey omo na di football nanim sa. Under President Continent regime, akọ Division 1, Division 2, Division 1, Division 2, Division 1, Division 2. The big clubs look unconcerned, and it has affected them. Mr. K, it is the reason why Tamana UT Men's Sports Minister now has to folk here well connected. And the storm still all over. The beer and there's something all over now as in leak. But after almost lose touch now the F, where is out of folk? Almost the boy Niano Moko, Omen 12 in the time. Kotoko boots and Omen 5, 4, 6, you are. You be bullying na can afford the ISM. And they'll be crying all over referee CDTIO, Yamper referee in here no can. Oh, because a match now, Kakobon. A big man I have you, woman, a referee no back on, woman, I have a to a more. Omuncroft one or Omuncroft one or the beer. In the king, only will read that. And first call. Imagine such a thing. Look at the people at the ESCO. Say, oh, yeah, Penina, say, won't be hot. Now, so you call a cow no more than hard and content mamma referee let me about. I'm saying that in order, see a football, the best half cover be an one standard, never ready and a Kotoko, a hat of flow. Players at on cry, so Muna, tell my you to need Talash one, JBB, the Lalis and Yamunqua, Pamamuna, take you over our football. King, or maybe a football, let us say, I'm calling him to see a football in Babaka, the big men in our football to rise up. And it is the best way, Ken. And no one beat me. And you can show be and all your passion, Oma, Omo class no are there. Obia, a pressing golf, the former president. Obia, from Abed Comer to the last person, and the same old story. Few people on the board said I be system young can Olympic for the board now one relegation. And temper, you'll be relegated.
Silver Sports.
Heart of Lions, Ken, you'll be relegated. Until we need the big men to call our football back. Blaster and the Omun fancy baby. See, I'm also talking about Abino. Me maka say winning bonus no can be an embayadia. 10,000. That's a more than that was that way double one. Okay. Blaster and Uncle you or I'm to a scout. Or why force why a scout.
For sure.
Your football, your percent by year.
Okay.
The big clubs should rise up.
As more factual say, Papa no. Sisi a ba say papa no mo de letter for frere ko say omo drop and no mo de nipa for frere.
Papa
Blue boy.
Auntie.
Now representing Azakis.
Azakis.
And Azakis for Unifree.
Sisi a omo see show no adi.
And almost
no mo de letter for frere ko say.
Omo unity.
Omo unity.
So what the one
the omo de common family but omo.
Yeah, for posters, but toilet so.
Gariba. Now, I'm pumped to say.
No, coupon.
They saw your fit. Maybe I okay. I be why? You better do what go better.
But from Ghana football, the first question: how do you limit corruption in our football? That is the first point. Because under Kwesi Nyantakyi's era, the biggest problem of his administration, the MIA football no bar from corruption. So in a new chapter and a new administration, how do we limit corruption? The answer is we must have system. It's not personalities. We must have systems, say a bit work it, and we must have competent people, regardless of the club affiliation.
Exactly.
So if we dream something not near the competent person now, let that person come and lead the football. Banquet for free men about the GFA presidents or ascending the throne.
Silver Sports.
Not teaching Nankas or better as no free. And to me, the big no competence in the patron in here. Who are the competent people? This is the first question that we must ask. What's the Congress? From there, the roadmap is clear. Elections bet to us. So, if one of the competent people are, we would ye benya we say in football no, I say you know, we move forward. Don't forget the NC. They have failed. In my estimation, it's a failure. Omuntimi be bibi papa bia omuntie bibi papa bia say in football no say e mo match asumpo a ensai ne betimi aba. When is the 2019 season starting? Because season has started already. Our clubs in Africa, once locally, domestically, Yambobo. And see a one price on Bayard on Becomanim. You see, it is not right. Aqua question say no, we are always praying, hoping for miracles to happen. But the truth of the matter is that ground do not any fertile. You cannot be in Africa while your clubs are not playing, are not competitive in a country. It's saying about limited air corruption. Let's go to FIFA. FIFA, when the corruption scandal hit to FIFA, in their next chapter, what did they do? Patron, first thing, you see, World Cup will not vote to Nippon 22 penny to Abano. I didn't see no Emma FIFA for the new statute revision on where Mons a derby and hono na corruption eba. Because how can just 22 people decide where the World Cup would be played? And they changed that. And then 209 members of FIFA ni nano obiato aba e will say in where the World Cup would be hosted. So Ghana would have a vote. Cote d'Ivoire, Benin, I mean you mentioned England, France, one country, one vote. And this is fair. This is equitable. This is justice. Somebody ever call World Cup. The name is World Cup. In Thomas Sana Manaba 209. Now when FIFA sponsors, someone with this can run FIFA. Or say that this is the right step. Let's continue to pump our money in it. When you say FIFA turn over, yeah. After this World Cup, it been see that our Mabako say. Yes, the profit they got, the money they gave never end that amount that. Betenka, I will free corruption money ever. 2015, I don't two or and the cow expect it. Says FIFA, Nisika Sempo because of patronage. I mean, the international companies of Mudomika FIFA, and yes, I they could have withdrawn. But they saw that this is an institution. At the actual, it is a disaster. A crisis in a buy, but how FIFA solve the crisis? Almost demonstrate this is an institution that is ready to change. Almost the same, the salary of the FIFA president is now known. The general secretary, how she's earning in a month is known. Everything is clear now. And Miss Openia friend of Blatter, I didn't clear now. I'm making it clear now. So you can see that this is a transparent body. Now let's come to Ghana. And our way friend Christine Nantechi, Nantechi have absolute power. Into the group, Nantechi is the chairman of the Blasters, and at the same time, he's the president of the GFA. How is this possible? He was able to manipulate executive committee members, Nipa 22, no. He was able to do that because any manipulation, this doesn't make sense. That he is able to get the ESCO. So I'm on to Abamano, not the Blasters Management Committee chairman, no Casantoso, and the GFA president, and Tobuko Bitia, who is who and who is who. So it was always going to happen. Patron, yes, power corrupt, absolute power also corrupt, absolutely. Obey powerful. Now the power non oya free him. I am manipulation. Nyanta titras for more than 10 years. Na idea na ebesi. And the system no working. If the system was working, baby I could no, na nya dey say timeko. And tell nipa ba ko contract no kwa na ehu. Ndimo a wudi na chini pa. Sebi. Me mpase me use word bi. Enti mo di na chini mo hu hwe. Mo so mo na me football people. Every key contract, baby a sikake say no muhu. But they were following. They are always on radio. We are the football people because they have been manipulated. They have been manipulated. That is the year I mean nipa be bring say na cause Congress no. Now we are manipulating what the kakra session ho okotrans ade na betimi aka. And patron, you know how Congress, some of these GA General Assembly echo. On Nantachi, President Nantachi, on the chairman of the Congress, he is the controller. On the team, no arrange BBR, and to open down so I don't put a bed for allow. He's the controller of the Congress. Sapa Pepenetie. And yet the case where we have Speaker of Parliament at the system of Ghana. His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. He's not the Speaker of Parliament. No. There is a Speaker of Parliament there. The Congress is like the Parliament of the GFA. And the Parliament of the GFA, penny no team no control, GFA president, he can do everything he likes. One manipulative system, into a better so. So in the next chapter, in the next era, this is something that must be able to change. Salary of the GFA president must be known publicly. Because one of my kind saying known. Obianim, and it's a sad guy. Going for it, no man in daddy, no beer who say we no, I clear. Patron, another issue, this issue I want to raise about the FIFA Council. I know so honor. Omushe, me sure say san or mashen so omobeyeno. Omushe, the template is there. FIFA bitono no saying no here no. No I'm fan to omodieno. Man in conquer anything different. At the end of the day, omo football people no. Me need much say because I don't vote for the GFA president. And two besides say why name in favorite 100%, but I cannot mention a single person. me to me more be because me to aba sen come to aba there then I will have a direct interest. But the way the GFL election is today, no, and the pocket crabby, and yet the president of Ghana, and then every citizen has a say. You have an interest in it. But we know a nipa kuka crabby and a cocoa to abano, and see a man cano a day, and to make us a pay, nipa or competent, and now Umbra Embelly did the Football Association. But on the issue about refereeing. And also going forward, how would things be done? You see, the referees open so preventive corruption now. Na kese starting NC tournament no referee ekodi match ni sika so onya ono ne preference no ho 2 months 3 months na sika ne mai anti corruption no all fight ya na no and then no ewie no mo blame aban no and all that. I have no excuse for them. They are leading the football. Omo ne aban ni na omo kebo mu so omo ne football no enti na be esi na ntachiera na ma corruption cause for referee no and one let us we MC no and to what show say in the next era say you ehu ye no still to us say referee could match no never preference ni sika na emba. They must put things in place, structures no more making sure referee no a key area and us explain no about 80 referees, and that is the department nipa be bring endorse home. How many coaches were there? How many match officials of clubs and an room? How many football players and an last video in damning circumstance in corrupt scene? Derby, no one does so. Name of referees in the does so. So solving no, I see any echo referees no, but also any ankle a hopper as any ankle. Patron me we crown our football laws and our laws in the country, you know. It doesn't bite much in football. And by it, I don't know we are corrupt or just bribe or football. Mugana intimate. This is serious.
That's a private.
And so the private person, somebody who is in the private sector, I want a free so no be corrupt. Name of this or what what law is this?
Yes, I am.
Nana some no patron says no. Am I being you? Me say that. If you go to Turkey, we are corrupt football more. Yet me too go prison. But bribe of football mu.
Ghana massacre.
And massacre, I say massacre no because corruption they want Ghana hano and that's some ketwa. How do you convince me? How do you convince me?
You are right, bro. You are very right. But I think when would you register? It's as a king, yeah, company. Na BBS wa ha. About to mean sorry, master who say BBS or let maybe you not first people here. It's why it's a private company. It is someone take it.
The government
of course, until I'm the take care, FNA is registered in whose name?
You see, the Ghana Football Association, it doesn't belong to any person, it's for the nation. Ghana Football Association, that issue is there, it's registered and all that. No, it's not substantial.
It is.
The most substantive issue. Now, when you went to court, we saw the response of the Ghana Football Association that they're trying to prove. No, they had absolutely no point. Ghana Football Association and the confirm with Infantoso. He for colors na muyusu.
And
Encash is saying nobody can use the flag of Ghana if it is not national.
Ghana Manganese Company,
Ghana Football Association is for Ghana. The national team, Ghana Sikane Editor Mukaye call Egypt. Sikane de call already break down by not a single make a single city. And in free baby, Sikane na if you are buying for home.
But that's
so it's for Ghana ATL loss, no. And said to me by football people, no.
Okay.
And until when you are more corrupt because at the end of the day. Yet to me Chidi Park Stadium, Sikano they extend it. BA United against Bogo All Stars. The money was caught there at the stadium. A referee was caught. Money was in his socks. This issue, no, no, ye plek two baby, but in Turkey, because their laws they have made it such a way that, and then you say Turkey for sure say football, no, bribery and corruption in football is criminal. Derby, almost about the next year, but in 2012, Turkish football scandal. Everybody can Google and read about it. And then actually, you know, a beer to Turkey. A bit to Omo. Now let's take how they approach it. Name say, a call fast. And what I take in pay for President Motta say, Derby, the economy of football there. We need to criminalize bribery and corruption in football. So now it is a law. Who could you bribe with a referee? we a match official ukotua bribe sika bi ukoye na echewa ubeko prison. Police will arrest you. You will be arraigned before court. They will prosecute you. Udify the ubeko prison. But in Ghana it is not like that. And this law I do not understand. Mentia said that. Na mentia said so enye that in football there. Ubetima yo. Anything in the football stadiums in Ghana. It is all about chaos, disturbances and fights. Because we bet you the Bibia war patron our stadium one show you Ghana or beko free shenyo enti omo mutiemi ene wo football stadium Ghana onu obi nya to the kanacho e man nka se obey stadium violence because our loss no it does not bite much in football. And then I had the say going air for it.
Let us say Garba Ayarabio Andy na Mose Yakuba so am panacho. But most for yeah story basis here about say they're not free Takra Day on the Hazake on say among person Kofi Mano Ebeko your congress no ochna Ben yeah communication director in my club no Ben Boko there you know me say Ben the yachen no patron wo betimi akele enso dia man say sa na tia na nya sa na tia on sir yanya na tia some of the crowd for cause much change din no e dey Kofi Mano you go from one amodele ko
for now we are looking at the pros and cons of it because you know there could be any issues now for now no we are looking at the pros and cons of it not what we can do.
No somebody be present so no kwakwaje mama monti asem baby.
Yes, what I'm saying is that we don't know about what to also. Today management and we know what we can do, but for now if we have no here Kofi Mano is represented as until for now I can confirm to you that Kofi Mano is represented as that of Tower Congress.
Okay, but the old country says still be able to miss because also management ebesian because on nyama ba community bia aba na ho bia ka na ho nsem not just a more take a decision nana.
And yes, but you are going to look at it near share because the Congress must go on. Congress is so possible. We now never taking it from whatever we have lost as far as football air concerned. And we are going to look at it because anything letter, letter officially from the NCC they already said that a castle more video you are not supposed to start of football. We are going to look at it but until fair. That is not here. I put you now. He's representing us.
Oh, okay. Ben, you ever said you come up with us a P? Okay. No, you're Ben, no, any customer, Hazakis. Young friends, okay. Since some of the coffee. But Andy, also said the other coin. One is one power.
Don't you go by the other?
Also, one
it's in the Baba Copen. I can't go by myself. The CEO of the club. And I came about Yakuba, Tom, Yakuba, on your part of our class, Yakuba. You can't, I wish and Capelli be pray.
And I didn't my chest, but one is one power.
I saw you know.
So is one power.
I was the chief executive of the club. Say. I can't say.
All the body and manager.
And Sema, opening the cafan, Hono.
And no say, Clavin and Panacho opening and Panacho and on and Panacho.
I want to cook. And now, won't just nothing. A wine the Kai.
Okay, foreigner, we need your memory.
There you and then football. I'm
never got out
say, then I only penny and then it's hard in gem. Only penny as a man, what for so I just
say. What to make us a penny no I can't jump a macho. How?
I can't. And I'm
for see you on power chop.
Have you okay? And then you grant me so because daddy you are lying on.
And there's all good jump.
No more can that I'm meeting Cocatria Papa that who can't throw. As you already that you are lying.
Penny from Aquala, now Penny Pachawa. There is nothing wrong.
Oh, David, what am I mean?
Yeah, but
in such a way, say, yeah, Yakuba, yeah, Tom, Yakuba, Tom, now cat players are Joe the Cop, yeah, Tom, Obutriska Papa, Yamanako. It's your team, and you are without Yakuba. To be imagining film show for Abba, Manti, Agramo, on the ball.
Circumstances.
This boy is there.
I guess baby, I'm a billionaire at that time. That's what I say. Or you team the player, or betting out on the Yeska, 18 asset. It's at that time, Crown Sans and can be to my follow a day. Now, such circumstances in the legion up and in the council, and they different. It is a player, I mean, I never come and expect to say Yakuba Bay and say. Since then, no more Papa behind the market. I'm in the house will give much Sunday. Well, maybe I want to tell you. Not against a tour. No Boban tell you, let him near Conin. And what to me friends and trophy. No more ball, also I'm a watcher.
That is your Nkayawa. And now be. I'm not saying say Uncle Jojama home copana choana mompa. But King, when you
don't write to say so.
But Uncle Joy cries some more kind way and got some warranty at Chopa.
That's what my mind can I say.
Okay. You are the CEO of the club, you don't deal with emotions. Besides that, a man also call for my ban. You brought a baby. You brought a baby. You brought Richard Atta. 5 games. 5 games. Oh my day.
But at that time, maybe at that time, say Abia will end. One hour walk to position. And the Subaya and that boy in a dinner. I didn't say Abia crank over West Hand.
It is possible to say being so uncoming Casa.
Abia Swanka.
It came about that time. Kids are my option.
Indisciplinary. They are also. Or cock, or crab, no, I say. Inti, a bet me, I'm why you be and I'll bet me. The opinion
he is the CEO of the club. If the boy is misbehaving, Kotokoni loss. Punish him. Into one to me, I'm punishing. You don't stood in the midst of the supporters and say, yes, message say, but what telling you. Wonder, yeah, why? Me say my yard, and now I was some yard, and man in the running with you. You are in charge of formulation of policies, and I want to control the events. Who want me? I'm punishing me some my bonnet. No, I could not feel more, say Andy. Young to say, I'm fino. Yet the man, my grandma, can accept it. And me my grandma, ya be bonum 5 matches.
A cookashia, cookashia, Yakuba.
Well, it is an issue of extension.
I'm on psychic.
Yes, Ken.
So that's what I'm psychic. No, somebody. And again, Yakuba crown. Fine, or can be on, but I am a crown can run me see. Come back and say, I saw Casa in front of the teammates.
Exactly. You see,
the teammates in age now.
Can I?
And never back home, you'll be uncle, Namin paying for me never be a summer young man. Me sorry, say, me jam Musa. Then you apologize to them.
Ken, oh, sir, Andy, Kakrevi. We heard say Yakubenya teams bear 7 or more chasing it before, meaning.
And the Sunday because I'm back on back on a day, you buy
Simba 150 bars. That was from the start.
So the issue was Neska Bane, yeah, they will sell Yakuba at that time. It is a Papani Kase or more plan and no more yen. On camera, there is nothing wrong. Meaning, say, will baby, I'm a free banner. Yes, now all Kase comes, I agree. Name our yes or before. Kalafi catches us or error for Misa. Aquabacono, or not now be 2 years, no Trianica.
You're going to me and Kabi.
Maybe or like or castle, but man not now, no Trianica or money or yellow for manenko. Every big player, so move a club, maybe a yard bar, they do that. It has some not what kind of currently as you are speaking, the issues are different because all cause a 5 matcher. Yakuba more 5 matches are non good.
Yakuba need that.
Africa, Nyabotre. Oh, Nyabotre. Africa and Sana, yes, started preparation. Who said first one, Yakubania.
First,
the second one,
Mamma starts in here. Them say, yes, sure. Mamma starts in here. Yakuba Bama against Kariobanji or Obo against Oboha. he played against Cotton Sport home and away. Inti Marcel check it. And you 5 months away.
Maybe. Also, or ball. Or start away with your friend is
Karibanji
Karibanji. And Karibanji waha. And a Cotton Sport waha. And a Cotton Sport waha. And after Cotton Sport, anyone a boy.
After Cotton Sport, he lies.
Cotton Sport, he laughed. And while we want to go and say 5.
No,
we
are
not debating.
There be me so many answers.
Listen, don't create impress a players now ball. It be a 5 matches or who should go to the no. Sana Maka. Yakuba Swabo, there's a match.
Yakuba some no autonomy room because me didn't come over.
Okay.
But the point is,
almost shall nominate to come over.
yes, say contract. They are Kennedy better as an to a man 2 years contract. They are Kennedy better than this. Kennedy question say, Omenena starting negotiations or car.
It is 2 years, so I just to say.
Yeah.
Ken Yakuba buy, he wanted to sign 1 year instantly. But Ken assembling in an year said, oh, no cranny ni payem peneca. And sometimes will be or the papa to nipa bibra coma sono. One say ni pana. Won't mean ni pana who don't free nipa ton a command so put be asset. Now so be per se or best wa. And so say ni pana, especially a quite be a bit maybe a man nipa no 1 yard of 1 way. You have to do it when it's 9 and 1. What's mean to go in free nipen? And that is the Yakuba issue. Who pad dim come with the personalities involved. Can me say me Yakuba? This is a player of a ball trials with Kotoko. Me a man the contract. Ubisa say, can you see sometimes if you open a bro free banny baby wabe tom no or any no different no. Yakuba asks the Siano Miko Pro give me a remedy. And the agency told him Odiabo. I no problem. Again, he asked a boy, you be Chaco TV Swana because he still had a contract with his former club. It's a Chaco TV Swa. And possible send a club new one who bet me actually no. That is where the player is coming from. A principle so. And that's on board you.
He knows what he is about. Onimbo.
Ken, what did they make us? No, it's after say we showed interest. Ken, I don't decide say. Someone so interested, they are them one of them terminating my contract. They tell me Yakuba and seven told me approach it different. We told him point blank, say, yeah, man, the capre, so person about terminating, bro. Nimpenny for the buy in the Casa said they will help him because only so bad you accept him. Or terminating the contract by or buy any registered players and you are trying to 3 months. As another got first game. When they catch him so all of a sudden play when boy there saying when they catch us a match.
Then we have to know you ever seen a transfer so they feel you penny as well. That's sweet, Boko there.
Boko boss.
Great.
You say you're quite a ton, you're quite a wire the idiot. You could be buying. You're supposed to young Donald.
But the audience son obey no. Now one of me go pan no corner, the other could
oh,
say to my Sandy. Country place.
Oh, seven said the Eddie Jagron, the Yana, but a banner trick was
over there.
Mrs. the Eddie Jagron.
Not just a winning.
Oh, when they said, yeah, but say when therefore.
As someone can also get 3 points of Australiana. I don't know, we know Yagro.
And when you say, Mr. Agro, but and just say, I want to more fun to say, you see, JB or Jura friend said, fear Muram, Juran in our time, Muram in our friend catch them. Ain't you need almost a Jurano run, or Mudas or Munyama, if you move in a mark of your Domokoya, and Mupio, while I was by.
A Jurano will get a
Let me.
It is Santi.
I was Santi.
That team is in Santi.
And if I say, Bruno Moyan, what top players, one top players said the Okota fish with them, who are money and waton, who could be an waton, who's a Sawan waton. Silence and players. Ghana has said the Kumasa, the years what I would put out with Yakota
on to be. It's what you feel. And I'll say, Pugima. And I'm there, there's some none of my money for the boy.
Your name Tabelas. And about to say, Patrol FC.
Money for
Patrons FC.
And I say, next year.
Say, you're not going to never
money for the boy, money for
any Olympics.
No more than
oh, say, yeah, Boko. If you
but here we 2019 more matches are I know I didn't work how was mobile phone people ne back from say
Mo say ni susubiribu nyina bo. Ani fa ko ba bo na ya bo.
Mabo match so.
Awe bo papa
match.
Egusu bo. Egusu bo pa.
Ba we dia ni aba ho pa.
Oh, say we no. Ya no kotoko na bo say we no kotoko so mo na house na bo. Nti no mo ko adwura no. Mo na house go bo mo ko adwura. So nti no match no Sunday ya ba kroma. CEO baba. Oni NCC chairman baba news of Frederick Moore baba oba RCC executive so ye be hia no. E so anu aba adua na. Inshallah. Match so amono nse ama na house for person prapra ye anya se ye ba gugu ya ho se mo na mo ko ba etu a se mo ni mu goals na wo no mo sha etu a no anu no mo sha mu goals na asa mo da mo spa mo da mo sha ya ka
oni ma de ba kwa na ho e mo
ai
on sisi ye ka kotoko na asa ana business house be yi se what's your make say oh kotoko na eto o match nti se kotoko she goals di tia hasa goals na nko benya wo eto ana ya na omde asa nti o ba je se mo kotoko she
media say media me ka tro mo me se so mo pedi omo yi ba ko se hasa no eto ana se 2 goals no mo sha tia hasa so mo to sha tia eto a amura mo she
nti 2 goals na wo
se kotoko fo mo akoto 2 goals ajura ana omde ba na me ka se 2 goals no amo bo no mo mistake no mo sha se o ma she
asa butua
amo she tu asa amo ja so na se eto a ye goals ne se na kita ye de enim de ba
mo be se
ye de enim de ba
so kotoko kura tu
ye no se ye de enim de ba ntini ye ba krom ba se amo se ya na house for be prapra ye de ba prapra obi a but se wo mu bobuga mu tu abesi mo ye so bobuga ye bobi ye nka so mo to anu cap na mo nje fam na house amo je dia ba kuma se mo nje fam na house nti ye boy match kwan de bia match e bo sa na ye bo no
na no be dia le wa na ade so ma me hope le o ma mu tu
oh say no
no ka kire me say be yi wo de so mo koi
ana me ka say
ye call your first 1 2 second 1 2
o say no unse wonu say bobo no referee de say na no asayi wo hu ro le say na no asayi na ti say wo hu bibi no ba de ye mo say na anopa na meti osafo ade nti say rank bibi na kotokotu ya na muka ba de ye tu kotokotu de mun kada
osafo de ba so na yelo kan
osafo na America ba ku bia ba Twitter yesi social media has na lead no sata na kotokotu da say ba bi wan kada
na mo ka bo na ye bo
bo na ye bo no ka for de ba rank say na me say bo na ye bo and boy no say El Halaji trophies 22 Zamalek aji 18 Esperance aji 11 wa Babi si House of aji 3 kotoko asia 2 and wanka yesi club African trophies a wukita and ye rank ye House 2 kotoko and wanka inteduru no so aya monka nanaba abi hu no oh na me fa ya sa no so nana so say ya me so
so ba say no ye mo wana sa na say asa mranche semba ni mupa
so wonu wo support kotoko na Arsenal ntima me pesa mbosa say wo hu say ni team aji Champions League da so wo support kotoko ni Arsenal wo hu Champions me da me ma hu say Manchester aji Champions League ma hu say House aji tinana wo hu say Arsenal ana kotoko aji Champions League da nti ni support na ya ye menwa nti House of Folk nyame adma Saturday be hia e wo bia na asem panifo nyina baba e no ombro no so e wo chapter half for Jubilee Park opposite honom SRC honom a wo pa abanya 160 cities na Thursday so nyame adma Friday ye di Jesus no bisu baba asem and also so wo phobia for life na 1.5
mo big match
oh say no kotoko de bia
mo bo mid match acho
oh en say na mo bo na say big match ka say mbo Africa che say kotoko ni kotoko nye big match bia
mbo Africa this
oh say 2015 ya Bobby nti ya fancy 4 years
hey na ken cry ya wo mfie na nyina mu hu sam bo
aso bia ya won 36 years a ya wa hu sam kotoko aja Africa no nti en dia fie na dia
say has for so me kotoko bo afi no bo
kotoko ni has na bo anya has na kotoko ni bo so kotoko for no mu
be bo has mo be bo
oh ye ba krom ha
they say they na say
o se bibi asan e ka ka mo
mo de kotoko bo wana mu dwane ya den
o mo yo nwane o mo na dwane se na se no ma ba akra
o se two goals de mo
me se kotoko for na ko pet 2 goals wa yi ejura
e o 2 goals e be chem e ma ba ko ya ma mo so ba ko
o ma ma mo ba ko o ko huri do ko o ko huri do mo ko sha
e be chem
am o ko mu do mo so mo ba ko ye chem mu do mo so mo ba ko mu do mo so mo ba ko na mo ko
e be chem
me se mo so mo ba ko na mo ko